This is Matt recording a video of how to upload content to the MSSPA Drupal website. We start on the content management menu. Remember, you don't have to click on the first level, only on the last menu. You just have to hover over to get it to expand things. Some of this stuff is pretty self-explanatory. Remember, the image that you choose for the title for the main article does not need any image manipulation. And also remember that the second title text box is going to be the caption for the image. It's probably a good idea to put some alternate text in here in case your image doesn't load. The teaser section, remember, will auto-populate once you save the article. If you don't like the way it looks where it put the teaser break, you can come back and edit the article later. For the most part, it does a pretty good job, so I'd recommend just letting that have the first shot at it. I'm going to be cutting and pasting some text from inside a Mac editor. I would recommend, and I understand that you're using Word, the key thing to understand, and I'm going to do it, is when you paste it into the body, make sure you use this word paste functionality. Otherwise, it may try to use the word formatting, which is probably just going to cause headaches. Once you've got the article text in there and you want to put an image in front of a paragraph, which is typically the pattern we're following, put your cursor directly before the first letter of the paragraph, choose the image button, and then we're browsing the images that are currently on the server with this browse server functionality. And what we're going to be doing is adding one. We click upload. I believe on your system it's going to say browse for files instead of choose file right there. We find our image and we upload it. The image I'm using in this demo is not terribly big. It's a big horse, but it's not a terribly big image. But most of yours coming straight off your camera, which is how you indicated you were going to be using this, will need to be resized. So with the image selected, click resize. And I'm going to recommend starting with a width of 150 pixels. You hit tab and it automatically calculates what your height should be. You can feel free to play with that to see how it looks on your site. We are not going to be creating a new image, so we turn this off. So it's going to replace the original image with the new resized image. Then we insert it by clicking the insert button. The only thing you have to do on this dialog, even though we discussed some other things you could do, is tell it if you want it to be on the left or the right of the paragraph. And then we see we've got the text wrapped around the image correctly in the image here. To maintain that wrapping, the trick is to select the input format drop down and select full HTML. That'll cause that word wrapping to be maintained as it goes to the site. We click save, and at this point your article is live on the site, but it's not on the home page. Your web developer Dave has made it very easy for you to get things to the home page. Once you've saved the article and you're happy with the way it looks and your text wrapping, we come down and we add it to the home page as a lead. There's no need to manipulate the node queue functionality as we were talking about earlier. Now we go back to the home page and we see our new article displayed, and we can once again demonstrate that the text wraps like we wanted it to. And that's it.